Hello, welcome to the session. Would you please introduce yourself first today?
Hi, a very good afternoon. I am Chirag Saxena, a bachelor in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Right now, I am a design and verification trainee here.
Okay. So, are you excited about today's Q&A?
Yeah, definitely.
How did the teaching style of our trainers help you to understand the concept of VLSI industry?
From the beginning, the teaching style was quite helpful. We had 4 divided sections which were carried out daily on a particular module basis, and even the test sheets were given to us which were next day asked in the sessions as well, which was quite helpful. The doubts were cleared very well even in the remote area classes, and as well as when we came here for as a physical trainer then also.
Great. So, which module or hands-on project do you think make the biggest impact on your job?
I think it would be quite unfair to declare any particular module as a thing to be advanced, because when we go in the VLSI industry, we start from core until and unless we don't have the knowledge of digital, it's impossible to go to the Verilog. So every module comes with its own aspects, but the one which boomed my concept was when I started the system Verilog concepts of loops.
Okay, so this is the last question. So, how do you think our course help you with the academic knowledge to the demands in the VLSI industry?
So earlier in my college life, we were only aware with the theoretical aspects, which were not enough to get into the such booming industry semiconductor right now in India. So it was quite helpful to have an hands-on projects over these concepts. So it was quite helpful.
Okay, that's a great session with you, Chirag. Thank you.